Hello, people! Have a great day! We're going to cook pancit. It's a white rice noodles with the vegetables.
Bless, bless, bless,
Here are the ingredients. Rice noodles soaked in a cold water. Chicken breast. Chicken liver. Chopped garlic. Chopped onions. Chopped tomatoes. Thin slice of cabbage. Slice of carrots. And sliced of leeks. Heat the pan first before we add oil. Add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Heat the oil. Here we go. We are now going to saute. Put chop of garlic. Continue stirring up with a ladle until golden brown. Add chop of onions. And stir up again until a little bit golden color. Add chicken. Mix and stir it well. Add chicken liver. Stir well again. Continue stirring up. Mix until well incorporated. Cook for another 3 minutes with a low-medium fire. Stir well again. Add chopped tomatoes. Mix it well. Add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Cook for a few minutes. After 2 minutes, then mix it up again. Put slices of carrots. Add slices of cabbage. Add a pinch of chili flakes. It's an optional. I like spicy, guys. Add salt to taste. Add ground black pepper. Stir up well with a ladle. Mix until well incorporated. Add slice of red bell pepper. Put slice of leeks. Mix until well incorporated. You can adjust the taste and seasoning, guys. Cover for a couple of minutes. Then add rice noodles. These noodles are easily cooked because it was soaked by a cold water. Stirring up until well incorporated. Cook for another 3 minutes or 5 minutes, guys, in a low-medium fire. After 5 minutes, stir it up with a little to mix it well. You can check right down below the list of our ingredients. Mix until well incorporated. Cook for another 3 minutes And it's done. It's ready to serve. Let's eat, guys.
I found a love.
It's so yummy. Masarap pa siya. Masarap pa siya, Kim. Hello, McBride.
Yeah. Delicious. Pati buhok ko nakain.
Tapos ko magluto, ito, kakain na kami. Yan, ito
Lalapang.
Pinoy pala. Lalapang kami. Dura.
Sinong Pinoy pala? Siguro ginagawa yung itaas. Siguro. Yan yung ano siguro. Baka yan yung ano. Accommodation ko na.
Is it taste
Wow.
good, McBride?
Hi sis! Welcome back!